Hello everyone, my name is Liliana. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a tip. So we have two kind of wallets. One of them no volume and the other ones with volume. So this one has 8 centimeters volume. So in this video I will show you how to make this happen. This one has 8 centimeters and another example has 4 centimeters of volume. So let's turn this one into this one. Come. First of all, you need to decide how much volume you want to give to your wallets. So you want to give 8 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, you will decide. So I will decide now. I will give 4 centimeters of volume. So we are going to measure 2 centimeters from the seam allowance, 2 centimeters. I'm going to make a square, both of sides. Like this. So you have now 2 options. You will mark on both of sides or you will cut it. So on this side, if you're going to open, you're going to make this. It's going to be like this. Both of the seams, this one and this one, need to match together. You can feel it and you will see we will make a straight line here, and on that straight line you're going to sew it. Like this. Okay, on this side we are going to open. Okay, you can see both of seams and you're going to put one for one side and other one for another side. So if you put everyone for the same side, it's going to be bigger and difficult for you to sew, so you need to put one for each side. So you're going to match everything together and you're going to make a straight sew. Like this. Okay, so you have this one and you have this one. Okay, this side now you need to cut it. So you can do it on both ways, okay? It's up to you. So now you are going to turn it. Push your corners. All done. As you can see, you can get the symmetry on the seams on both sides. I hope you enjoy the tip for today. If you like it, give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn the bell on so you can be notified for the next video. See you next week.